Hi guys, this is Mzamo. Coming up on Uzalo this week, Nkuzi's downfall is now imminent, while Mr. Mbata tries to trick Pastor Shizi into paying for the church. Sibonelo catches screwdriver and Mzwezwe red-handed. Bongs want to take things further with Mrs. Malala and seeks Madonga's help in making that happen. Mamlambo gets a brainwave to host a concert with Hlingo Mhlaba and raising more money for the project. Nosipho's disdains of Nkuzi leads her to do the unimaginable. Bongs and Madongo makes headway with planning the most romantic proposal while Kwamashu is plunged into darkness. A stranger offers Lily a big breakthrough while Njeza resorts to desperate measures, and Mbata avoids paying his debt. While Nosipho is annoyed that the police still haven't arrested Nkuzi and the electricity crisis in Kwamashu seems to be getting worse day by day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.
Zonke izinja zombuso sifile ulewe mina esiphaphala sompapana banomageba ukuthi bahashukile bahishekile bakhona nandaba manje bawena siyafuna thatha amashansi ngeke ulunge lapha mina maqala impi ongeke usuqede kiba